Welcome to another video by Lame Creations, log analysis made easy. Have you ever wanted to use your smartphone to be able to access your Splunk instance, view your dashboards and other alerts? Well, stay in touch and we'll show you just how to do that. All right, starting in Splunk 9, it might be a little bit earlier, but at least if you have Splunk 9 and later, you have this new app on a normal Splunk enterprise installation called Splunk Secure Gateway. If you don't have it, you can download it, activate it, enable it. Just make sure you're running a current version. And this is the main tool you're going to need to make your Splunk instance available to you from your phone. You can do it if you have the cloud, but you can also do this with this app, make your home, your work instance, something that's not on the cloud, accessible from your phone. So let's go do that. I'm going to click the Splunk Secure Gateway. If you can't find it, you can always see if by chance it's hidden by going into Find More Apps. Sorry, not Find More App. Manage. And just type in Gateway. And make sure it's enabled. If it is, you can hit Launch App. Or you can go in Secure Gateway. Either route. And we're just going to hit this. Go ahead and get started. We're going to name our secured gateway deployment. I'm going to call mine Lame ITSI. I'm doing, so this is for my IT Service Intelligence instance. Doesn't really matter. It can be anything you want. Hit save. It's going to find the best bridge location. I'm good with that. And it'll say, what do you want available to you? And I'm just going to make mine available on the mobile. You can see there's a lot of other options. What if you want it up on your TV, your iPad, stream data from physical environments? If you haven't seen Edge Hub, that's a really cool tool. Anyway, I'm just going to keep it with Splunk Mobile. Hit next. And I get a giant barcode. And I can just scan that with my phone. I can do alternative logins. We're just going to do the scan code. All right. For Android Play Store, going to be similar to the iPhone, Apple Play Store. We're just going to come in here. We're going to search, and I'm going to type in Splunk Mobile. Splunk Mobile App. There it is. I don't need to install it. It's already there, but I'll just hit open. And I'm greeted with this screen. I can add a private instance, or I can view one of my already in place instances. I already did this once, but we're going to go and grab that one I just set up. And so I'm going to hit the plus bar. And it says, how would you like to do it? I could do a single sign-on, but I'm going to come over here to code. And I'm just going to hit open camera. And I'm just going to scan that image. We have another alternate method for logging in. We can hit the alternative login, and there's a code shown on the bottom of your screen where it says enter code manually. I'm going to type that in, and I'm going to log in. I'm not going to show my code here because I don't need you guys using my code. Then I'm just going to add in my credentials from my box and hit confirm. And we can now see the devices that are logging in. And we can add new devices, send them codes, whatever the case may be. And from there, we can now just start using the phone. All right, we can see here now that I'm in, I've got a bunch of different apps. I can actually see my apps. I'm going to come in here to ITSI dashboards. I can bring up dashboards, see what they look like, get the data from them. Now in this situation, there isn't anything there, but health check, and income Maya dashboards. So just remember, you're basically going to have access to any of your dashboards that you have available. And then you can have favorites and recents. I can also get any form of alerts that the system is creating and any reports that are being done. So if I go to IT site dashboards, maybe I'll go high scale backfills, no results. But anyway, yep, this is so you got all your different reports available to you, dashboards available to you, and so on. So I can go look at my glass tables. So you get your dashboards and everything else. You won't be able to, as far as I'm aware, you can't run searches against your data, but if you have the dashboards and stuff available to you, you can go ahead and do that right there, right through the app. So it's basically giving you alerts, dashboards, and reports. I hope this has been helpful and helps you move from being a lame analyst to a Splunk ninja. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps, and hope you keep coming back.